A treasure hunt has started at the Amar Mutt Monastery, located in the southeastern corner of the 12th Jagannath Mandir, with teams of archaeologists armed with metal detectors searching for a lost hoard. Hello everyone, welcome to Tarun IAS digital platform. I am Nandini Bhatnagar and today we are talking about a treasure hunt that has started in the well-known Jagannath Mandir. Puri's famous Jagannath temple holds a prominent place of importance for devotees. It is one of the Char Dham pilgrimage sites in India and is also well known for the annual chariot festival of Rath Yatra. The unusual search is being held due to a request by Narayan Ramanuj Das, the Mahant, who is also in charge of Amar Mutt. The Mutt authorities, as well as historians, suspect that a hoard of valuables is buried inside the premises. This isn't the first time, however, that valuables have been found inside the temple. In 2011, the police had stumbled on a treasure trove of 522 silver ingots weighing 18 tons inside the Mutt worth above Rs 90 crore. The treasures recovered earlier from the Mutt are now kept in the State Treasury in Puri, guarded by armed police. A special team of the State Archaeological Department, in presence of officials of Sri Jagannath Temple Administration, are leading the search now. The Mutt's hidden treasury came to limelight about 10 years ago when two masons involved in its renovation work were caught by Dhenkanal police while they were trying to dispose of two silver ingots weighing over 30 kg each. During the interrogation of the duo, they confessed having stolen valuables from the Amar Mutt. This confession led to the discovery of a room stashed with silver ingots. One of the archaeologists now has believed that they have got conclusive evidence that the silver ingot was part of the payment made by the British authorities to various mutts for rice purchase during the famine years before independence. The treasure found in the past, and if any found in the future, is the legitimate property of the Mutt. Since Amar Mutt is the fountainhead of many smaller mutts, there could be surveys in both these places for buried treasures. There is also every chance that silver ingots may also be buried in Sakhi Gopal and Bhuvaneshwar Mutt. Now, since we are talking about Jagannath Temple, let us discuss about the history of the Jagannath Temple. As you know that the Jagannath Temple was constructed by Anantvarman Chodaganga of the Ganga dynasty in the 10th century. The deities within the shrine, however, believed to be much older and are associated with the great mythical ruler of the Satyug, King Indrayumna, who was the nephew of Lord Ram. The temple was invaded by many kings due to its great legends. The temple was plundered and looted because of enormous wealth present in it. Due to these attacks, the idols of Lord Jagannath, Balabhadra, and Subhadra were transferred to various places in order to save them. Now, in 1975, the Archaeological Survey of India undertook a moat project to remove the multiple layers of lime plaster to uncover the original designs beneath. The conservation project lasted for around 2 decades, and the temple, which in the 19th century was recognized by the European sailors as the White Pagoda, now proudly displays the natural colors of the condylite stone that had been used by Anantvarman to construct the home of the Lord in the 10th century. Now, this, however, is not the first time that the Jagannath temple is in news for a mysterious reason. There have been other interesting incidents too. So let's discuss some of them. Did you know that the structure of the temple is such that it does not cast any shadow at any given time of the day? It still remains to be deciphered whether this is an engineering marvel or some unique force in work. The Jagannath temple has 4 doors, and Singadwarman is the main door of the entrance to the temple. While one enters through Sindhadwaram, you can clearly hear the sound of waves, but once you have passed the Sindhadwaram, simply take a turn and walk back in the same direction, and you will no longer hear the sound of waves until you are outside the temple. Isn't that interesting? Now, did you also know that the flag above the temple strangely always floats in the opposite direction of the wind? The wind floating in the opposite direction brings all your scientific reasoning to a halt. Not even a single bird is encountered above the temple dome. Even an airplane could not be seen hovering above the temple. And finally, did you know that nothing ever goes wasted in the Jagannath temple? Depending on the day, records state that 2,000 to 20,000 devotees visit the temple every day. But the quantity of prasadam which is cooked in the temple remains the same throughout the year, and no food ever gets wasted or is insufficient for any given day. So, friends, this was all about the mighty Jagannath temple in Odisha. Before you forget, like our video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more current affairs.